What it's doing right now is resurfacing. MDF, as you know, is basically paper. You see it's going away from me. I have a HD4, and you can see this stuff is basically paper. So I'm resurfacing my board. I have it mounted down with brass screws, so if I do inadvertently hit it, this is out of the field, by the way. 25 inches comes in here someplace. So I'm taking 5/1000ths off, and when it's done, it'll have a nice clean workboard. I try to do that once in a while. You can't do it all the time. Oh, or you'll break your bit. I slowed that down for you so you can see it break the bit a little bit slower. I'll repeat it so you can see it again. It happens once in a while.